Apollo Hospitals is one of the leading brands in this country in healthcare, renowned and known all over. And I think go to any capital city, Delhi, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, of course, and many other cities. They have their hospitals, and in many other towns also they have their hospitals. And they have pioneered many research work also, and I think cutting edge technologies which are available across the world, around the world, has been brought to India, and people of this country have been able to access that. And today it's not just the people of India, but I think from all over the world people come to India to get themselves treated, because the availability of expert renowned medical professionals and good facilities, and also at a reasonable and low cost. So I think that India is becoming a capital for healthcare, can really fully grow also and using this potential. And I think in that aspect, Apollo has really contributed to the country in providing these wonderful facilities which attracts the global people to come over here and use our facilities. So saying those few words, I'm very happy that the Seniors First program is being launched today, and India being it's not an aging country. I think people above 60 years constitute about 10% of the population, and and of course this 10% is only going to increase, and by 2050, that is in another 25 years, this 10% is going to become 20%. So the percentage of the aged and the elderly is only going to increase, and I think by 2067, around that time, the population will start aging in this true sense, and we're going to have like what countries in the West are facing. India will start facing that problem.
And it was wonderful listening to him. I'd like to thank Dr. Prasad Matthews, Senior Professor, Geriatrics, CMC Vellore. CMC Vellore has been an organization which we have looked at with respect for their knowledge and their clinical acumen. And to me, that is definitely the North Star of healthcare, not only in India, but for the rest of the world. Dr. Madhu Shashidhar, who leads with passion and who is our President, Healthcare Services. Dr. Steve Paul, I'd like to thank you and Kashmira together for being the first ones to do it in the Apollo ecosystem. And I think this is targeted at making a difference to people, especially at a time when they really need it. So thank you for being there. And Vishal, the head of our home care, I'm so glad that everybody is coming together in the service of the seniors. And the members of the Apollo family, and more than anything else, the members of the media, I'd like to acknowledge your presence. Sir, your presence really validates the fact that there is so much more to do in healthcare, and we cannot be complacent in what we do, and we have to continue to serve humanity. As a proud Indian, I would also say that it's people like you who put us on the global map, because you push the private sector to do more, and I think that is a role which we enjoy, because unless the leaders tell us what has to be done, sometimes we just do our own thing. So sir, your presence here really helps, and I think your timing was just perfect. It was like good shakun for us, so thank you for